Fatma here. Welcome to the first Islamiyat session of session 2020 till 2021. So today we are going to study the very important part of our religion, which is our holy book, the Holy Quran. So I'm going to give you a brief introduction about that book, which was revealed to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah had many ways to convey his messages to his people, but he mostly conveyed his messages through his holy books and the messengers and prophets. With the time, people forgot the message and Allah has to send someone else again to convey the message. Just like that, Allah sent Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as his last messenger and Holy Quran as his last book. It is the complete guideline for the whole mankind for all time. Allah has taken the responsibility of its protection and preservation. The Holy Quran is a book which completes the guidance for everyone present in this world. Many books has been revealed to all the prophets present and it contains all the basic teachings and the commands which have been given to us by Allah, that what we have to do and what we don't have to do. The word Quran comes from the Arabic language and it means to read or to recite. Allah sent the Quran through Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, who is an angel of Allah, to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It took 23 years to complete the revelations, and when it all started when Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 40 years old. One day when Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was worshipping in the cave of Hira, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam appeared and told him to read the first five verses of Surah Al-Alaq. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam that he can't read those verses, but Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam told him to read. This happened 3 times, and after that Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam hugged Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and made him read those 5 verses. After that, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to home and told Hazrat Khadija about everything. Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha consoled him and told him that Allah has chosen him as his prophet. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in a great shock after knowing that he has been chosen as the prophet of Allah, and he has to carry out that holy mission of conveying the message of Allah to all the people present in this world. The Holy Quran is revealed in portions, and its arrangement was done by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam under the divine guidance. Whenever an ayat was revealed, it was given its specific place and written by the people under the direction of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In the end, I just want to say that a Muslim is required to read and study the Holy Quran regularly and also act upon it. It is a complete code of life which tells us that what are the things which we should do and what are the things which we should avoid, because they will lead us to the punishment.